Yo, what's up? Go ahead, try it. I can't. Can't be difficult, man. You can try it. What's up, y'all? Where are you? I'm at the park with my sons and my daughter out here, just chilling, dad life, man, on a Saturday. Where y'all at? What's going on, Orange? Go ahead, do it, bro. Go ahead, you can do it. I can't reach it. Well, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. I gotta feed the baby. I gotta feed the baby. See, baby gotta eat. What's up, y'all? What's going on, man? Just chatting, vibing. It's a good Saturday. Doing as good as you. What's up, Orange? What's going on? Jordan? Jordan. Oh, that's sweet. Cool way to spell that. What up with you? How are y'all? Welcome. Out here doing our thing, man. I just wanted to tell y'all, we just dropped KYLO Strike course, so we got a discount for the YouTube members. We've been learning a lot from your videos. Which ones? Which ones, bro? Which ones are you watching? Which ones are you watching? Which ones are you watching? I just dropped a discount for you guys that are looking for the system with white and black. KYLO Strike that I use in all time frames and all time controls. And I have a discount for you guys. Yo, what's up, Bryce? Hello. Thanks. Most people get it wrong. Yeah, I like Jordan. Oh, Jordan. Yeah, that's pretty fire. I'm watching every single one. You're watching every single one, bro. You're on it, then. You're on it. Orange, so you got the course, bro? Come on, stop playing, bro. Go get the link. I only can keep it up for a few days, and I gotta take it down. The um the discounted price is half off for the course. 18 modules and some bonuses in there. She's going crazy. Go get the link. The link is in the community. Like it's like the community tab or whatever. If you're scrolling, it's easy to find it. Easy to find it. What's up, y'all? It's good, man. It's out here vibing. Out here vibing. I'm growing my hair out, son. I need to get a lineup though. It's been good. I got a tournament coming up June 9th. Be in Vegas. Yeah. You gotta go potty now? Okay, cool. All right, guys. So I'll be back on later. So gotta take the babies around. I'm gonna be back on the YouTube later, but it's the first time on a YouTube live on the phone. You know, we actually gonna walk back. So I'm gonna walk with y'all. Walk with y'all. How about that? Come on, Dada, let's go, bro. Go to the bathroom. And then we can come back. I'm gonna walk with y'all. So Slava, what up? It's nice seeing you outside of the office and doing something. You know, it feel good, man. I feel good, bro. You know, I'm out here with the family. It's a family day. I'm a dad. I'm also studying like all hours of the day, studying chess, looking at chess. So, did y'all see Magnus today, bro? Magnus lost a third time, bro, to Wesley. And I've also been studying some E5, one E5. And he played that. I mean, Wesley just played phenomenal, phenomenal. Wesley beat Magnus. It's his third classical loss in a tournament. I mean, Magnus it looked like he was about to cry. I don't know if y'all seen the clip, guys, but it looked like Magnus was about to cry. It was crazy. You binge watch all the videos. They're awesome. Thanks for the content. Man, guy, what up, Sam? What's up, Sam? Yo, shout out to y'all. Guys, the new course is out. KYLO Strike and the E4 one. I got a discount for the YouTube community. Love y'all. You know what I mean? I love the YouTubes. Y'all are some big supporters. And a lot of the sales, lots of them came from you guys. So shout out to YouTube. So I'm doing a lot for y'all. What's up, Adam? What's going on, Adam? My son over here looking at squirrels. So yeah, that's what we doing. He said, I gotta go to the bathroom, Dad. And then he saw a squirrel and then he was out. So he's over there looking at squirrels. So we over here. What's up, chat? Speed run videos, you watching those? Love my speed run videos. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out me. Shout out to Adam. So Adam, I see you post some shorts on YouTube that are bullet 30. Do you stream those or would you play and record? Those are I actually I'm not gonna lie, bro. I have like 6,000 clips. Think about what I just told you there. 6,000 clips. The squirrel got 2,500 elo. You know what? You right. Come on, let's go to the bathroom, bro. 2,500 elo for the squirrel is nonsense. Yeah, I don't want none of that. I don't want none of that work with the squirrel. Hello, Master. Yo, what's up? What's up, Ramil? What's going on with you? How are you? This way. This way. With the fam. We're doing our thing, man. I just wanted to hop on. It's my first time on the phone on YouTube Live. I do Instagram Live and sometimes TikTok. I'll be on both, so it's a vibe. But shout out to y'all, man. Just wanted to say hello, pop in real quick. Hey, go to the YouTube community, the post, and then go into the post, and you can see the discounted link I put for you guys, only for YouTube. I got a YouTube link for y'all. Go check it out. Pre-recorded some clips for the next generation, bro. You right, bro. Have a nice day. Great move. Great move. Have a nice day to you too as well. I'm gonna get off here, y'all. Love y'all. Thanks so much for the support. Always, YouTube community. I'm gonna see y'all boys real soon. I'll be on the live stream. So you already know. You used to watch Twitch streams too? Yeah, on my Twitch streams too. So you know what it is. I love y'all, man. I'll see y'all very soon. Go to the YouTube community. I got a discount for y'all right now that is only for you guys, but it's in the YouTube community. Go check that out. I'm gonna see y'all soon.